Hello, I'm Julia Woning and today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks that you can do with your PanPastel. I will work in my art journal. It's mixed media paper, so very smooth paper, totally different than pastel matte paper, but I will show you first some projects that I made on pastel matte paper and I glued it in the art journal. This one is on regular artist drawing paper and this is the previous tips and tricks. So what you can do with those soft tools, you have 4 different ones, like a round point, a flat one, and you can see it gives different forms. A point, triangle, and an oval one. So these 4 soft tools you can work with your PanPastels. To fixate, I am using the Clairefontaine Revolution fixative. But what can we mix with the basic set of Julia Woning Signiture kit? Let's create skin tone. So I'm using the sienna tint in the middle and I will mix those colors outside with white and sienna tint or with the yellow. And to clean your sponges or your soft tool, just wipe it on top of a tissue paper. Then with the magenta, with the warm red, and you can see you can create beautiful different tones of skin tone. And now I'm using a blue together colder skin tone that you can use in your shade. So skin tone with blue, skin tone with the gray, even skin tone with some black. Excess that's too much, I will wipe it off on my tissue paper to create different values of skin tones. Even with the cool blue to create beautiful skin tones. With the Julia Woning PanPastel Signature Kit you can create beautiful colors. Here are the skin tones, even darker skin tones like a brown color, yellow, red and blue, and switch between those colors you have in the tray to create beautiful dark brown colors. But you can also create secondary colors like purple. And there is a difference between mixing the warm colors and the cool colors to create a certain color like purple. Or what you think about orange. If you create yellow and red, you get a very nice orange, or yellow and magenta. It's an orange, but there's a difference in those tones. Even with the greens, the yellow and the blue, and then again yellow and blue, and you get a different type of green. Or browns, yellow, red and blue, and create your own colors. I hope this short video inspires you to just create your colors with those basic colors. Don't be afraid, practice. If you need more information, you can find that in my new book PanPastel Workshop by Julia Woning. Until next time with the PanPastel tips and tricks by Julia Woning. Bye!